Okay, good evening, everyone. We can start for new chapter, chapter 5. So, for the first part, chapter 5 is talking about function and graph. So, for the first 5.1, you're talking about relation and function. So, how to define a function? I believe this one you learn in your Form 4. So, for a relation between two sets, so this is one set of the number, and then this is another set of a number, set A and set B, and then the relation, you have four types of relation. First is one-to-one, and then this is many. One-to-many means from one maps to two answer. So we will one-to-many, and then the third type will be many-to-one, and then this one will many-to-many. So this is your domain. This is your X. And then this is your codomain. This is your Y, or we call it, this is your range. So X is our question. So for whatever value of X, you put inside your function, and then it will give you to a one value of Y. So this kind of relation, you will call it function. So for this one value of X, when you put it in the function, it will come out of two values. So most probably, this one is not a function. If you want your relation to become a function, so consequently your relation you want to be a function, it must be a one-to-one and many-to-one. What's mean by one-to-one and many-to-one? Only the relationship can become a function. Just now, like what I said, if the first set is X, and then the second set here is Y. So if you want to do a function, you substitute your value of X, you will get one answer. So one question, one answer. So one-to-many is not a function because you substitute a value of X, you get two answers. So this is not a function. It cannot work. It's just a relation only. So like for this one, many-to-one, also a function. So means that when I put a value of X, and then we can see we get an answer of Y. So sometimes we can get a different question, get to the same answer. So this one also a function. Okay, lastly, this is many-to-many. So means you will have many kind of X value. When you put inside your function, and then it come back to a many answer of Y. So this is like not logic. So this relation many-to-many is not a function. So means that you want your relation to be a function, it must end up one answer. So one answer here for whatever questions before whatever question we put for fx, so it ends up one answer. So this is the relation can make it to become a function. So for example, so the following also not a function example because let's say for value of b, the element b in the domain. So it is our questions, but it don't have any answer. So has no image at the range. So dia tak ada jawapan. When this one no answer means this relation will not be a function. So for this kind of question, it also not a function because it is one to many. For the element of 3 in the domain, it has two image, it has two answer. So this is not a function.